Hello everybody, this is the Introverted Gadgeteer here, and today we're looking at the Sega Dreamcast. A really nice boxed example that I picked up from my local CEX in the UK for £160. I'll put the US amount on screen here. We'll just take a quick look around the outside of the box. Got a very nice light blue and white colour scheme going on, and some information about the console on the back. Sega did sell only 9 million units across the world when this console came out, and it was discontinued shortly after its release. But this was one of my favourite consoles growing up. I have some very, very fond memories of this. If you'd like to get to the unboxing, there's a little pull tab here. You open the box up, it should just slide out. So first in the box we have a very nice original controller in excellent shape with its VMU. These little VMUs were responsible for storing data, and they also showed little pictures of the games, which I found quite interesting. Just put that over there. And what else we have in the box? Here's what's picked up. We have some manuals and the console itself in very nice condition for its age. Again, this is a PAL edition console. We have the buttons here for eject and power. We just put that side here. And then what else we have in the box is just some additional cables, and that's about it. I've taken everything off the desk so we can have a better look at the Dreamcast in all its glory. I always thought it was a very interesting shape for a console. Had a very 1990s PC vibe. Got your inputs on the back with a couple of vents. I believe this console also supported LAN play. You needed a special cable. And 4 controller ports on the front for your multiplayer. In a moment I will jump to my TV with the Dreamcast connected so we can take a look how it plays. So here we are. This is the menu of the Dreamcast. Very pretty. We have a play option, a option to look at your storage and view your VMUs, a music option and some settings. I'd like to take a look at a game that I've got here. And for the game we have Sonic Adventure 2, one of my favourite childhood games. Go ahead and put that in the console. Once the game is inserted, all you do is press play. And here we go. Obviously pick your screen hertz. I did think this is one of the best looking games for the Dreamcast.
Stage select.
We'll play some City Escape.
Attention all units. Suspect seen heading south. Block all major roads and capture the suspect.
So that was just a quick look at the gameplay on the Dreamcast. I find it amazing that even for a 25-year-old console, it plays it so well and so smoothly, and the colours look fantastic. And here we are back at the table. I think the Dreamcast is an incredible bit of fun, even in today's date, and was certainly way ahead of its time back when it was released. If you like what you saw, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.